We've been discussing about Millennium MAMS and how you've been the past president. So tell us a little bit more about the organization, what it does, and how it has helped women.
So Millennium MAMS is like more than 30 years old organization. It's a non-profit organization started by two mentors, Mr. Dhanuka and Mr. Bhuvania. So the idea was to start this organization was to make women financially savvy by giving them financial literacy program. So it's basically a 1-year program, basic program, where we introduce them to the financial literacy, like, long-term investing, following the principles of Warren Buffett. And then the follow-up program start from the second year, which goes on, once you're Millennium MAMS, you are always a Millennium MAM. Because things change, markets change, situations change, economy changes. So to stay updated, all the time, we have classes once in a while, like, once in 15 days, on a regular basis.
Okay.
So lot of women who were not from an economics or finance background, they have become big time investors by, learning about financial literacy in this organization. And what we do apart from the classes, we meet the company heads. We meet the CEOs and chairmen of different companies. We are looking at investing. And then we do the factory visits. If we want to invest in, suppose, for example, Tata Motors, we visited Tata Motors thrice or, maybe more than that. And then we come to the conclusion that yes, whether this company, the management, everything is good to invest or not. Then we go through the balance sheet of the company. Then what is the future expansion plan of the company? How the company is adapting itself to the changes. Then we come to the conclusion. So we believe in having only 5 to 6 scripts in our portfolio, right? And going into the depth and understanding from the sector study to the company study to meeting the CEOs to visiting the factory and then having a long discussions over it and analyzing the different financial statements, and then we go about investing. So it is like, I would say, a perfect investment decision when you go about. And nothing is perfect, I would say, but still, what you're doing, what you're doing, educate.
It is a starting point.
Yes.
Yeah. And I think that it is teaching you proper due diligence.
Absolutely. And apart from this, we are learning about leadership quality as well. Like, for example, we met the chairman of Tata Sons. We meet every year, right? So Mr. Chandrasekharan, he said in one of his statements, we asked him that how do you manage so many companies, being at the helm. He said, find the right person and delegate. So we've learned a lot of life lessons also being in this organization by meeting so many dignitaries.
Yes. And if you're learning from the best, basically.
Yes, learning
business.
from the best. Yes.
Yeah. And so what would you, advise women who have not yet started the investment journey, that if they want to start, where do they start if they want to join Millennium MAMS? And do you have any message for your Millennium MAM buddies as well?
I would say, to my Millennium MAMS buddies, that if you want to really be a winner, be calm, be patient when you're investing and listen to your mentor, right? Like my mentor says, that you should have Shraddha in your guru. Once you have Shraddha in your guru, then, everything falls into place.
Yeah.
So this is my word to my colleagues and to all the women out there. This is the best time to take a plunge and read. And then you invest wherever you want to invest your hard-earned money, but be very patient about it.
I think it's very apt advice given the market situation.